How are people farming crypto airdrops in 2026 without spending money? Today, I'm showing you exactly how I farm potential airdrops using ZNS Connect, an all-in-one airdrop farming platform where you can complete testnet tasks for 51 different projects in one place. We're going step by step through Pharaoh's Network, a project that raised $8 million, and I'll show you exactly how to complete everything in about 20 minutes. But just a quick reminder, crypto trading involves risks. This video is for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Let's dive in. So this is ZNS Connect. Right now, there are 51 active airdrop guides on the platform. And collectively, these projects have raised over $5.6 billion in funding. That's important. These are not random projects. These are funded ecosystems building real infrastructure. You can see everything in one dashboard. No need to jump between 10 different websites. What makes this platform powerful is that it organizes all tasks in one place. Mint domains, say GM daily, deploy smart contracts, create NFTs, and interact with DeFi. And everything is tracked with something called a pass NFT, which acts as your on-chain proof of participation. This makes your activity visible on-chain, which historically has mattered when projects launch tokens. If you've been in crypto long enough, you know early testnet users often get rewarded. We've seen it before. Projects reward early adopters who test their ecosystem, provide feedback, and interact on-chain. The key is consistency and structured farming, and that's what ZNS Connect simplifies. Let's use Pharaohs as a live example. Pharaohs has raised $8 million and already has over 2,300 people farming it through this platform. Step 1. Claim faucet. First, claim faucet tokens. This gives you free testnet tokens so you don't need real money. Click faucet link, paste wallet, confirm. Done. That takes less than 30 seconds. Step 2. Mint domain. Next, mint domain on Pharaohs. You choose any Pharaoh's name, click mint, confirm wallet. Takes about 10 seconds, domain minted. Step 3. Say GM. Next, say GM on chain. Yes, literally sending a good morning transaction. Type GM Pharaohs, confirm. There have already been over 338,000 GM messages sent. That's strong activity on the network. Step 4. Deploy smart contract. This sounds technical, but it's one-click deploy. No coding needed. The platform handles everything. This just shows developer-level interaction on-chain. Step 5. Swap tokens. Now we interact with DeFi. Let's open for swap. Token swap complete. This shows real ecosystem usage. Step 6. Mint pass NFT. This is the final step. Mint the Pharaoh's pass NFT. Click mint, confirm. This NFT is your proof of participation. It's on-chain. It shows you completed the ecosystem tasks. And that's it. Entire process around 20 minutes. So why do all this? Because early testnet users historically get priority when tokens launch. Pharaohs raised $8 million from strong investors. If they launch a token, early on-chain participants are often considered. Now imagine doing this not for one project, but for 51 projects. You're building diversified exposure across funded ecosystem, all tracked in one place. You also have projects like Arc Circles Layer 1, which raised $20 million, Sonium, backed by Sony, $30 million, Robinhood Chain, yes, that's Robinhood, Tempo, which raised $500 million from Sequoia and Paradigm. That's serious capital backing. This isn't random farming. These are real ecosystems preparing for mainnet growth. Here's how I approach this. First, complete full task sets. Don't skip steps. Spread activity across multiple projects. Stay consistent. Some tasks are daily. Keep wallet organized and always use a separate test wallet. And remember, this is for educational only. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto. For our key advantages recap, all-in-one dashboard, 51 active projects, $5.6 billion total funding tracked, pass NFT proof system, 20 minutes per project, 2,300 plus already farming. This is structured, organized airdrop farming. If you want to start, the link is in the description. It takes about 20 minutes to complete the Pharaohs. Over 2,300 people are already farming this. Don't wait until token launch announcement because by then it's too late. Start early. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.